Hey friends, today we're going to draw Happy Winter Mountains.
And here's what our drawings look like at the very end.
We hope you're going to follow along with us.
Yeah, this one's really fun. We're using our markers to draw and color with, but you can always use whatever you have. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first start with the ground. We're gonna draw a bumpy snowy ground. Down here at the bottom, I'm gonna start way over here on the side. We can draw little bumps and some big bumps. Mix them up so that it's not the same bump every time.
Yeah.
Nice. Now let's draw some winter trees or Christmas trees, but we won't decorate them for Christmas. We're gonna draw snow on them. So first let's draw an upside down letter V. Then we can draw some bumpy lines down at the bottom to connect. Then we'll draw two diagonal lines coming out for the next layer. And then a bumpy line connecting. And then one more layer getting really close to the ground. And then a bumpy line connecting those. And then the trunk, two lines down. Let's repeat that over here for another one. Okay. We're gonna draw all the same steps. So upside down, letter V, bumpy line, and we'll go a lot faster since we're just repeating all of those same lines, same steps, which is fun because then you get to practice the same steps.
And it makes it better.
Yeah, and easier to remember. Mm-hmm. And it's cool if these two trees look a little different. There we go. Okay, those are the sides. We're gonna draw the mountains coming out of them. So first, let's draw our first happy, friendly mountain right here. We're gonna draw coming up, and then we're gonna curve at the top, and then we're gonna come down and stop there. Then let's draw a mountain over here on this side. We could draw it a little smaller if we want, and then connect in the middle. Oh yeah. I like how it kind of slopes.
Yeah.
No, it's cool. Okay, and then let's draw a mountain in the middle. This one's the tallest mountain. And then what are we missing on top of our mountains?
Snow.
Yeah, make them winter. We're gonna draw kind of a snow wiggly line. It looks like melting ice cream. We're gonna draw going across, and you can mix these little wiggly lines up so they're not all the same. And then one over here too. Nice. And we need a sun. Let's draw a big circle peeking over the mountain in the middle. You could draw it off to the side if you want. You don't have to draw it in the same place. And then we can draw sun rays. We're gonna draw a zigzag line. And see how I'm doing the same thing we did with the snow. We're trying to draw different size zigzags, ones that are small, some that are big, so that we change the size. And do you know what the tricky word is for that, for changing the size and the shape?
Probably, but I just can't think of it.
Variety. It adds variety.
Oh, variety. Yeah.
And we're missing one last thing on our drawings.
Funny faces.
Let's add a funny face right here. Let's start with the sun. Okay, where I'm gonna draw it like the face way up at the top. And then I'm gonna draw upside down letter U's. So it's so happy the eyes are closed.
And bright.
Yeah, and bright. Then let's draw one right here. I'm gonna draw a kissy face. So I'm gonna draw the letter or the number 3. So it looks like lips. And then I'm gonna draw one circle here, really close to the mountain side, and a circle on the other side. And then always like adding the highlights and then color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Now this part might go too fast, and if we fast forward the video, you need more time, you can always
Pause the video.
yeah, especially if you want to take extra time to add even more details. Maybe you draw skiers coming down the mountain, or clouds, or lots of other animals.
Yeah.
Then over here on this side, let's draw, I'm gonna draw a really happy mouth, my favorite one. And then the teeth on the top and teeth on the bottom, and then a line down. I went really fast. But you could also change, you don't have to draw them the same.
Yeah.
You could draw your funny faces different. I'm gonna do the highlight and then color it in. This eye is kind of behind the tree.
Yeah.
And then another eye and color this one in. And then on this face, what could we do different on this one? Maybe it's just really, really smiling really big,
Oh yeah.
like this.
I think I'm gonna change that one.
Okay, you can. I'm gonna draw the tongue and teeth and then color in this big shape. We did it, and I especially like that you changed that face.
Thanks.
Is he scared or singing?
He's singing with the mustache.
With the mustache.
Yeah.
And we still need to,
Color it.
yeah, this part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and color your drawings. We did it! We finished coloring our happy mountains.
It turned out awesome.
Yeah, and I hope our art friends will take time to color their drawings and even add more things to their drawing, like a background,
Oh,
or
yeah.
like a sky with clouds.
Or birds.
Yeah, birds too. We used our light blue to add shadow to the snow to make it look more 3D and also cold. Because blue is,
A cool color.
yeah, meaning cold. It's also cool too, like it's awesome.
Yeah.
But one of the reasons why I like this drawing so much is in the wintertime, when it's cold, it also is sunny.
And it's really bright when it reflects off the snow.
Oh yeah, sometimes it's too bright.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.